I am in Prague and I just want to say a massive thank you for 6,000 subscribers. I said, oh my God. Thank you to everybody who's liked, commented, shared and subscribed to all of my videos. I really, really appreciate the support, and we will definitely get 100,000 subscribers before you guys know it. I've got the back seats down, which only means one thing. I am going to the other side of Birmingham, which is about a 2.5 hour drive to me, to pick up parts for the green Fiat 500. I've managed to find a tailgate and a rear bumper as well. Although Dad could make that bumper go again, which we'll definitely keep because I'm sure he will one day. The bloke was 150 quid for it, so I thought for a facelift back bumper, that's a pretty good price, so I'll take it. And even if we don't use it on this project, we'll definitely use it on another. So I'm gonna go there now. Hopefully the weather stays all right, and I just hope it's as described. I'm pretty sure in the back bumper I can see a couple little chips, but I'm pretty sure on the whole it's all right. So let's get there. So I've literally just got home. That was long. That was a bit of a long way to go. Got some cloths over the parts at the minute just to stop them from getting scratched. The back bumper, they didn't show in the photo that the top of it had been stressed, which is a bit annoying. I thought there was just a chip in it, but I mean, I managed to knock him down, so I suppose that's all right. And for the price he wanted for it, you know, it was a pretty decent price, especially for a facelift one as well. Tailgate's all right. Can't see any dents or chips in it or anything like that, so that's good. So overall, it was definitely worth the journey. I'm just going to go inside now. Dad's going to help me get the parts out and see what he says. He'll probably moan, but here goes nothing. So I need to have a chat with you guys, and that's whether you're just a casual viewer or whether you're actually in the motor trade yourself. Now, I'd never let a company sponsor the YouTube channel unless I actually use the product myself and I thought that it was something that could benefit me, and it could also benefit you guys watching at home. So the company that is sponsoring today's video is called Vehicle Score. There will be a link in my description box below, and if you have a look on screen here, you can see all the checks that you can do on Vehicle Score. It will give you all the MOT history, it will give you all the mileage, it will tell you the estimates on what they think your car's worth. But the main thing that Vehicle Score will do is that it will generate a number between 1 and 999, depending on how good they think your car is. Now here is an example of my car. It's at 895. So that's pretty good. I'll definitely take that. And remember guys, this is all for free. This is an example of a bad one, and you can see that's quite a low score. Now, I'm not saying you definitely shouldn't buy that vehicle, but I'm saying that you should definitely be wary. Now, this service is completely free. It's completely free of use. All you have to do, type in Vehicle Score on Google, put your engine, and they'll generate it. And that's if you're buying a car, that's if you're even selling your car, and that's also if you just want to check your car. It's very easy. Now this is the part that I said right at the beginning for the guys in the trade. If you are looking on Copart or you're looking at any other salvage vehicles, then go onto Vehicle Score, get the salvage report, type in my code FS15, it will give you a nice little discount, and it will also give you massive peace of mind when bidding on cars. If you're looking at buying a car from, you know, Facebook Marketplace, eBay, or just from a private person and you're thinking, I'm feeling a bit apprehensive about it, you can go and do the ultimate report. Use my code again, FS15, and you can save yourself a nice bit of discount. And the report comes to only about £7.50. And what can you buy for £7.50 nowadays? You can't even buy 2 pints. So for the sake of £7.50 and all that peace of mind, it is definitely worth it. I cannot tell you guys that enough. So use their code, the link will be in the description box below, and get back to the video. So we did not get time to video and show the parts because it was raining and we needed to get this tailgate on. Now we decided to put on the car straight away because it's the safest place for it to be. It won't get damaged on there, it definitely won't fall over. So we started stripping the wires back. I'm pulling through the wiring loom there, and then in a minute I'll get a bit of rope, tie a bit of masking tape around the rope with the loom, and then pull it back through the new tailgate.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. Giving me wind and rain, you're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink. giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't.
So the tailgate is now fitted. What did you think of the parts?
Yeah, they're alright. They're good. The part, yeah, safe painting it.
Well, the tailgate's good.
90
So
quid.
a couple of people were saying in the comments that they were saying that you wouldn't be able to repair that tailgate. So
What?
they said you wouldn't be able to repair that tailgate.
Is that what they
so,
said?
Yeah, so it's too far gone.
So it ain't too far gone. I could have repaired that tailgate easy.
It just wasn't worth it. It wasn't worth it for 90 quid.
It ain't worth it.
90 quid.
Ain't worth the paint, the effort.
No.
But I'll keep that and I'll keep it and then I'll put it on another mint green one.
Yeah, just to prove, because
Yeah.
he wants to prove somebody wrong. That
Yeah.
bumper as well will probably go on another mint green one. Are you going to repair that bumper?
I could have pulled that out. I could have pulled that out
Yeah.
and shaped that up.
You can get to it quite easy.
Easy.
can't you?
Easy.
Easy.
But for 90 quid it ain't worth it.
Are you going to?
Because the reason is because you picked one up for 90 quid. It's exactly the same colour.
Yeah.
And we don't have to worry about it matching the roof and everything. There's so much labour intense to paint a tailgate that's not green.
Yeah.
If it was a different colour, it's a lot more labour intensive. But yeah, I could have repaired that.
But what are you going to do about the bumper? Are you going to repair that one, or are you going to repair that one?
Well, it's going to be quick and easier just to repair that one. It's done. We'll keep that and put it in stock, and you can play about and practice on that.
Yeah. Okay. So yeah, I mean the tailgate's not 100% at the minute because, as you can tell, it's raining. But tomorrow we will line it up, and then I'll get this backlight of it out actually, and I'll get this little square out of it. That's the next job. It started raining even more heavier after I stopped recording, so that wasn't the next job. The next job is now to take the back bumper off, take those backlights out, and assess what damage is behind that bumper. The little plastic trim's now taken off, and it just makes it a little bit more clearer as to see how it's pushed in. You think this is meant to be completely flat, but it's literally just been pushed into there, and because it's been pushed in that way, it's in return pushed this up, which is obviously why the boot won't shut, and the little rubber grommet ain't sitting on that, but it sits on that one. It just all affects it. So when this is pulled back up, the tailgate, I'm thinking, should sit properly, and then obviously all this needs to be panel beaten back into the original position, moulding fit over, and that should be it. I am thinking, sorry guys, I'm just just thinking about what to do next. I have taken off the little rivets just off there, sanded them back, but it needs quite a bit of work doing to it really. It needs this rear quarter doing. As you can see, it's just dented in there, so that will need to be pulled out and then filled up and painted, and exactly the same for the swing as well. Bit of a dent in there, corner of that bumper wants painting anyway, and then just that other corner needs painting as well. So on to addressing some more damage on the back of the car. We end up getting the chain, the clamp, and then that big long pole, and we end up giving it a bit of a pull, putting that block of wood there so it doesn't mark the car, and it pulls that little lip right back out. The rubber trim's back on now, and the tailgate is all lined up, and it fits really well actually. So okay, so now you're gonna have to talk us through
What? Talk you through what?
Talk us through what you want to do.
What do I want to do? No, it's what you want to do.
No, it's not what I want to do. It's
What you want me to do is, you want me to linear shut with the linear shut across here.
Yeah.
Get a plate, weld the plate to there.
Yep, like that.
And pull that, right?
Yes. Yes.
That's all well and good, but when the welds are on there and you're trying to pull that,
Yep.
right? You're only trying to pull where the welds are. What I want to do is, and he's having a hissy fit over, is I want to drill a hole in there, put that plate behind there, put that in there, and give that a gentle pull all round there, so that line there comes back. That's what I want to do. So tell me, everybody, whether it matters for me to put a little hole in there and then a grommet than rather weld and possibly create myself more work. So I'm going to do what I want to do. So you have to tell me whether I'm right or he's wrong. Okay? Ready? Right. What I'm going to do is what I'm trying to do is, see where that curls, I don't really want to put the plate down there because you put it, so I want to make sure that plate is up there. Yeah? So what we'll do is we're going to drill that. Bearing in mind, when you see other people trying to get dents out of doors with a dent man that, they drill down the side inside of the door shut, don't they?
Yes.
They put a rubber grommet in, don't they? That's all I want to do, right? Yep. So we can put a little sticker over that once we're done, or a little grommet in there. Now what we've got to do is put that in there, alright? So when that goes in there, that's going to go in there like that. That's going to go right there like that. Alright, so now, okay. So now what we've got to do is get that in there. Alright, so now this is where, lucky enough, if you look down here,
He's drilled another hole.
another hole. No, so there is an access hole here that we've got to try and get down there. We'll try and do that. We'll come back to you when we've got this on there.
Okay.
Try to save me. I feel alive. My world is faster and faster. The tears and the laughter. I'm here for the ride. Yes, I'm in emotion.
So we basically put a square plate behind that, and then we put a nut on the back of it. So now we're going to see how it pulls. Press that up there, see it?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
So, I'll let this back off, see what we got, see how far it goes back. Happy days.
Not very much.
Hasn't been a lot. What we do now is undo this. So now we've done that, that's all come out nice and square. We haven't really damaged much of the paint. We can put a little bung back in there. This was my idea. Thumbs up if you like it, everyone. And you just put a little note in the corner.
Saying what?
Saying who was right, me or him. I think that's a good little job done. You wanted to get the welder out, weld it all, burn it. Might have a few sparks that go in the car. Why would you want to do that?
He's found a rubber grommet to put into the hole there, so I suppose that's all right. So with the back now being pulled out, I then move on to repairing the rear quarter. You can see me sanding it back here, ready to put a skimmer filler in it, and then start sanding it back down. Unfortunately for you guys, that is all I've got left in today's video. In the next video, you'll see us painting it, you'll see us prepping the A-pillar, and you'll also see us painting the rear quarter. So, go and follow my Instagram, all the links will be in the description box below. All my latest updates go there. If you've got any vehicles for sale or anything in that sort of regards, then my email will also be in the description box below. Drop me an email and we can have a chat. But like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.